Good morning, fourth grade. This is vocabulary with Mr. Jennings, and this vocabulary PowerPoint, and you'll have a lot of them throughout the year. You're going to be learning some new vocabulary words, how to spell those words, how to use those words in a sentence, and what those words mean. And we'll be able to use these words in our everyday lives because as you get older, your vocabulary will get better. It'll improve. So our first word that we're going to look at is devoured. Everybody say devoured. Everybody say devoured. Devoured is spelled Devour. Devoured. We can also chunk this word out with a couple of words or sounds that we know. We see D, letter V, our, our, ed, devoured. So if I want to chunk that word up, I can do devour, devoured. So we have this word here, and we're going to have a couple of friends help us figure out what devour means, or to see it in real time. So devoured means to eat hungrily. So when you are eating something like you're super hungry, you are devouring that food, and then when you're done, you devoured that food. So we're going to see how these Teen Titans devoured their food in this video.
Come on, guys. Vegetables. They're good and good for you. I'm just saying, you might regret eating all that meat.
No way. No how.
So in that video, we seen them devour that meat that was on their plates. The Teen Titans devoured their meat, and that means that they ate it hungrily. Next vocabulary word we're going to be looking at is route. Everybody say route. Everybody say route. Route is spelled R-O-U-T-E. Route. If I wanted to chunk out this word, I could see out. Route. The E is going to be silent inside of route. So a route means a way to travel from one place to another. We see a picture here. Who can tell me what this picture is? Great. This picture is a picture of a map. You might see this map on your parents' phone, maybe on your tablets, maybe while you're driving. A map tells you a route to get from one place to another, or to travel from one place to another. So here I have Chuck E. Cheese over here on Fullerton Avenue, and I have the school, KIPP 1 Primary, our super great school here. So it tells us how to get from Chuck E. Cheese back to our school if we were all to go to Chuck E. Cheese. So it has the route from Fullerton, going down Fullerton, coming all the way around, and then all the way to the school. We can also go down Ashland to Grand, move Grand to Chicago Avenue to the school. We can go all the way around, taking the expressway, I-94, all the way down to Pulaski, and then get into our school. So it tells us different routes. Everybody say the word route. Route means to travel from one place to another, and this pathway in the blue that we see here is the route that is taken to get to a certain place. So we've seen two vocabulary words today. We've seen the word devoured, where we've seen the Teen Titans devour their meat that they were eating, and we've seen the word route, where we've seen directions from Chuck E. Cheese all the way back to the school, and it is showing us a way to travel from one place to another using that blue line there in directions. All right, catch you guys later for our next vocabulary words.